Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series standard for semester 2nd book. Page number 11, topic number 9, A surprise treat. A surprise treat. Listen, read and remember. Listen, read and remember. Take down the spelling of surprise. Treat. Then listen, read and remember. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. It is a holiday. Sunday everybody will get a holiday. Yes or no? Sunday is a holiday. Tarun and Tanya had a plan. Mother has been busy today. Mother has been busy today. She cleaned all the rooms. She washed and wiped the doors and windows. Mother is tired. Mother is tired. You have taken the spelling of surprise treat. Then TODAY, today, Sunday, holiday, Tarun, Tania, spelling take down, have, plan, already you know the spelling of Tarun and Tania. Mother, 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 BEEN, bin, busy, BUSY, busy. Today, spelling of today already given, okay. She cleaned, CLEANED, cleaned. ROOMS, rooms, washed, WASHD, washed, and wiped doors, windows, and tired. Okay. Now a surprise treat. A surprise माने जो तुम्हें कुछ पता नहीं होता. अभी ऐसा सरप्राइज़ कि तुम अभी कुछ खा रहे, तुम्हें अभी कुछ आइसक्रीम की ज़रूरत है, तो तुम सुबह से रो रहे हो और शाम को जब घर आओगे पापा ने ला के तुम्हें फ्रिज में कुछ ऐसा तुम्हारे लिए ट्रीट रखा है, कुछ ऐसा वस्तु रखा है, तुम्हें आइसक्रीम चाहिए था. जब तुम फ्रिज खोलोगे और देखोगे, अरे दिस आइसक्रीम इज़ फॉर मी. सो दिस इज़ अ सरप्राइज ट्रीट. सरप्राइज यानी अचानक तुम्हें कुछ उपहार देना, खाना देना, कुछ तुम्हें वस्तु जो तुम्हें पता था कि तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा लेकिन फिर भी मिल गया, तो तुम कितने खुश हो जाओगे. ओके. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ये सरप्राइज ट्रीट है. तरुण, तान्या और उनके पिताजी उनकी मम्मी को देते हैं. तो क्या देते हैं देखो, हम अब रीड करेंगे. टुडे इज़ संडे. टुडे इज़ संडे. इट इज़ अ हॉलीडे. इट इज़ अ हॉलीडे. Tarun and Tanya have a plan. Tarun and Tanya have a plan. What was that plan? Let us see. Mother has been busy today. Today is Sunday, children. It is a holiday. Tarun and Tanya had a plan. What plan they had? Mother has been busy today. Mother is busy, no? So what we will do? She cleaned all the rooms. All the rooms she is cleaning here. And all the rooms she is cleaning all the rooms. She washed and wiped the doors and windows. Mother is very tired. Tarun and Tanya is saying mother is very tired today. So what shall we do now? So, are you tired, mother? Are you tired, mother? Tired spelling already we have taken. Yes, Tanya, I am tired. Mother, just, JUST, just. Sit, SIT, rest. Yes, Tarun, I need, NEED, need. And rest spelling already. Come on, Dad, come on. Tanya, Dad spelling take, DAD, Dad. Father, FATHER, father. Tarun and Tanya work in the, take down the spelling of work and kitchen. Okay. Now see here. Are you tired, mother? Because mother was cleaning today as it was Sunday. And after cleaning, when she will prepare food for these children, for their father, for these two children and for herself. So, are you tired, mother? Mother, are you tired? Yes, Tanya, I am tired. Tanya is asking mother, are you tired? Then she says, yes, I am tired. Mother, just sit here and rest. You sit down. You sit down. Take rest. Yes, Tarun, I need rest. What Tarun is saying? Yes, Tarun, I need. Mother, just sit here and rest. Are you tired, mother? Are you tired, mother? Yes, Tanya, I am tired. Mother, just sit here and rest. Yes, Tarun, I need rest. Come on, Dad. Come on, Tanya. Then take rest. Who is saying? Tarun is saying to their mother, you take here rest. And Tarun is calling to the father. Tarun is calling to their father. Father, you just come in with us in the kitchen. Father, Tarun and Tanya work in the kitchen. Today they have not given any work to their mother, and they asked their father what they can do. Because in the kitchen you will find everything. Everything will be there in the kitchen. Yes or no? In the kitchen you will not find only eatable things and all you will find, not the clothes. तुम्हें किचन में कपड़े नहीं मिलेंगे, टॉयज नहीं मिलेंगे, तुम्हें खाना ही मिलेगा किचन में. So, come to the kitchen, mom. Take the spelling of M-O-M, mom. Mom, come and see. Oh, did you prepare? P-R-E-P-R-P-R-E, prepare. These T-H-E-S, these things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Yes, mother, we prepared these items. I-T-M-S, items. Okay. Now, family spelling is given. No, take down. Family enjoys soup, sandwiches, salad. Then treat spelling already I have given you. Thank, T-H-N-K, thank, and this is the children. So now father, Tarun and Tanya, they were working in the kitchen. They were working in the kitchen. After completing the work in the kitchen, come to the kitchen, mom, come and see. Come to the kitchen, mom, come and see. Oh, did you prepare all these things? Did you prepare all these things? Mother is asking. She was so surprised. Arey, these things all you prepared? Yes, mother, we prepared these items for all of us. These things are prepared all of us. Means me, Tarun and Tanya, father and mother. Family enjoys soup, sandwiches and salad. Mother says, what a treat. Arey, this thing what you prepared is a very good treat for me. Thank you, children. Mother was so pleased, so happy. She was very happy because she was so tired. You can see in this picture, so happy she is. Yes or no? She is so happy. See here. They all four of them. They are going to sit now to eat food. So they are very happy. They are very happy. A surprise treat यानी जो हमें पता नहीं होता, जो हमें अचानक मिलता है. तो ये छोटा सा एक स्टोरी क्या है. संडे का दिन था. मम्मी सब पूरा घर क्लीन कर रही थी. मम्मी घर पे पूरा सामान क्लीन कर रही थी. डोर विंडो अपना गंदा होता है, हफ्ते में एक बार वो सब कुछ क्लीन कर रही थी. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, तरुण एंड तान्या मम्मी को पूछते हैं कि तुम बहुत टायर्ड हो गई हो मम्मी, अब तुम थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करो, तुम आराम करो. तो फिर वो डैडी को बुलाते हैं. डैडी आप किचन में आइए हमारे साथ. तरुण और तानिया अपने पापा को किचन में बुलाते हैं. डैडी आप थोड़ा आइए. और जब वो पापा किचन में जाते हैं, जाने के बाद वो लोग सब कुछ प्रिपेयर करके रेडी करके मम्मी को अंदर बुलाते हैं. जब मम्मी अंदर आती है बोलती है अरे ये सब तुम लोगों ने बनाया है, वेरी नाइस। उन्होंने क्या क्या बनाया, सूप बनाया, सैंडविचेस बनाया, सैलड बनाया। और फिर मम्मी ये सब देखकर इतनी खुश हो गई, इतनी खुश हो गई। सब जन बैठकर खाने लगे। मम्मी बच्चों को बोला बहुत अच्छा ट्रीट दिया है तुमने, सरप्राइज ट्रीट दिया है, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला कि तुम लोग किचन में क्या कर रहे हो। मम्मी साफ़ सफाई करके जब उसको खाने के लिए मिलेगा तो मम्मी खुश हो जाएगी ना। तो वो बोलती है थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन, तुम लोग मुझे इतना अच्छा खाना बना कर दिया है आज, तो मेरे बच्चे कितने अच्छे हैं, तो मेरे बच्चे कितने अच्छे हैं। इस सरप्राइज ट्रीट के बारे में तुम्हें लेसन समझ में आया ना? सो you also read the lesson. Today is Sunday. It is a holiday. Tarun and Tanya have a plan. Mother has been busy today. She cleaned all the rooms. She washed and wiped the doors and windows. Mother is tired. Are you tired, Mother? Yes, Tanya, I am tired. Mother, just sit here and rest. Yes, Tarun, I need rest. Come on, Dad, come on. Come on, Dad, come on, Tanya. Tarun is calling to Dad and Tanya. Father Tarun and Tanya work in the kitchen. They started working in the kitchen. Come to the kitchen, Mom. Come and see. Oh, did you prepare all these things? Yes, Mother, we prepared these items for all of us. फैमिली एन्जॉयड सूप, सैंडविचेस। सूप यानी वो तुम्हारा लिक्विड रहता है, टोमेटो का सूप जैसा है, पालक का सूप होता है, लिक्विड होता है वो पानी की तरह। टोमेटो का सार बोलते हैं ना जिसको, टोमेटो का सार। सैंडविचेस तो ब्रेड का होता है, सैंडविच बनाते हैं ब्रेड का। एंड सैलड, ककड़ी, गाजर, ये सब मिलकर वो एक सैलड बन जाता है। Mother says, what a treat. Thank you, children. And you also try to learn, read. And now I have given you, read the lesson. You have to read the lesson. You may read wrong, but you try to read. First you do learn by heart all the spellings. Today, Sunday, holiday, Tanya, have planned, Mother, been busy, cleaned rooms, washed, wiped doors, windows, tired. Just sit, rest, need, dad, father, work, kitchen, mom, prepare these things, items, family enjoys soup, sandwiches, salad, thank, THANK, children. Okay, these all words you have to read and write for 5 times. Read and write for 5 times. Then, where does your mother cook food? Where does your mother cook food? Oral work. Yes, tell me. Where does your mother cook food? मम्मी कहाँ पे खाना बनाती है? Where does your mother cook food? Okay. What do you find in the kitchen? In the kitchen, what you find? All the kitchen material. Sabji, food grains, all things. Where do you eat your food? Dining table or on the floor, wherever you eat. Where do you eat your food? In the kitchen. Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite food? You have to mention here. Where does your mother cook food? Where does your mother cook food? Where she cook her food, in the kitchen, no? Or outside the kitchen? So in this way you have to answer the oral work. Oral work you have to read. Okay. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Why was mother tired? Why was mother tired? Yes. Mother was tired because she cleaned all the rooms. All the rooms. Yes or no? Okay, take it down. MOTHER, mother. WAS was tired, 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 because BECAUSE, because SHE, she, cleaned, 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 all, 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 THE, the, ROOMS, rooms. Who prepared the meal for the family? Who prepared the meal for the family? फैमिली के लिए खाना किसने बनाया? तुम्हें क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना? Who prepared the meal for the family? Father Tarun and Tanya prepared the meal for the family. Okay, take down. FATHER, father. TARUN, Tarun, and and Tanya, 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 prepared, 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 THE, the, MEAL, meal, FOR, for, THE, the, FAMILY, family. What was there for the treat? What was there for the treat? They prepared soup, sandwiches, and salad for the treat. THEY, they, PREPARED, prepared, SOUP, soup, SANDWICHES, sandwiches, and SALAD, salad, for FOR, for, THE, the, TREAT, treat. Now, first question answers what was there for the treat we have completed. Second one, select the right words and fill in the blanks. Select the right word and fill in the blank. It was Sunday. Yes or no? It was Sunday. Right here. SUNDAY. Sunday. It was Sunday. Okay. Then here they have given it was Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It was Sunday, no? They have planned. No. Now see here. Dash had a plan. Dash had a plan. Grandfather, mother, the children. Who? The children. Yes. The children. The THE. The children. CHILDREN. Children had a plan. The children prepared dash, pizza, sandwiches, rice. Yes, sandwiches. Very good. Sandwiches. Right here. Sandwiches. 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 First one is it was Sunday. The children had a plan. The children prepared sandwiches. These three you have to question answers read and write for 3 times. Read and write, only 3 questions are there, and fill in the blanks is there, which you have to read and write. Write this for only 2 times. Write this for 2 times. This is the homework for you. You read the lesson. This is the homework. See here. Read the lesson is the homework. Write the given words for 5 times. 5 times each words you have to write for 5 times. Question answers for 3 times. And fill in blanks. Page number 12 it is there. fill in the blanks. This will be written for, write only for 2 times. We will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.